Daniel worked in a small office. He liked his job, but he was quiet. He never talked much in meetings. One day, the boss said something. "The World Cup starts next week. Does anyone have an idea for the team?" Daniel had an idea. A watch party. He thought about it all night. The next morning, he sent an email to his boss. He planned everything. The snacks, the TV setup, the team flags. He even made a small sign for the door. He worked on it for 2 weeks. Every day, a little more. He felt excited. This was his project. Then the big day came. The first World Cup match was on Friday. Daniel put the snacks on the table. He turned on the TV. He felt proud. But then Marcus walked in. Marcus was loud. Marcus always smiled big and talked to everyone. Marcus looked at the room. Then he turned to the boss. "I set this up for us. I wanted the team to have a good time." Daniel stopped. He felt cold inside. He looked at Marcus. Marcus did not look back at him. The boss smiled. "Great work, Marcus. Really nice idea." Daniel sat down quietly. He did not say anything. He ate a chip. He watched the match. But something felt wrong. His work. His idea. Someone else's name. After the match, a coworker, Sarah, walked up to Daniel. "Hey. I know you did all this. I saw your emails. It was really nice." Daniel looked up. He felt a little better. He did not fight with Marcus. He did not make a big moment. But he decided something quietly, inside himself. Next time, he would speak first. Next time, he would say, "This is my idea." Sometimes, staying quiet costs you more than speaking up. Your voice matters. Use it.
The World Cup started, and the Kim family had a problem. A big problem. Nobody could agree on a team. The father wanted Brazil. He said, "They play beautiful football." The mother wanted Japan. She said, "I like their uniforms." The 2 kids wanted different teams too. The older one said Spain. The younger one said Argentina. Every dinner was a small argument. But nobody asked Miso. Miso was the cat. Miso was an orange tabby cat. She was 3 years old. She did not care about football. She cared about warm places to sleep. One evening, the father put all the team flags on the living room floor. He thought it was funny. "Let Miso choose," he said. Everyone laughed. The mother said, "Okay, okay." Miso walked into the room slowly. She looked at the flags. She smelled one. She walked past another. Then she stopped. She sat down on the Brazil flag. She closed her eyes. She started to sleep. The father stood up fast. "Yes. Brazil." The cat chose Brazil. The kids laughed loudly. The mother shook her head. But she was smiling too. The next day, miso was on the Brazil flag again. And the day after. Every single evening, the same flag. So the family made a decision. Brazil was their team. Because of miso. They bought one Brazil shirt for the cat. It was too big. But miso did not mind. Sometimes, a family argument needs a funny solution. And sometimes, the cat is smarter than everyone.
George went to the same cafe every evening. He always sat at the small table near the window. He always ordered the same coffee. The World Cup was on TV. George liked football. But he had nobody to watch it with. His wife passed away 2 years ago. His children lived in another city. So he came to the cafe. The coffee was warm. The TV was loud. That was enough. One Tuesday evening, the cafe was full. A match was playing. Everyone was loud and happy. George watched a man standing at the door. The man looked around. Every table was full. He looked tired. He looked alone. George looked at the empty chair at his table. He looked back at the man. He thought for a moment. Then he raised his hand. Just a small wave. "You can sit here," he said. The man looked surprised. "Really? Thank you." He sat down. His name was Peter. He was new to the neighborhood. He moved there 3 weeks ago. He did not know anyone. They watched the match together. They did not talk much at first. But when the first goal came, they both stood up. They both shouted. Then they laughed at themselves. After the match, they talked for 1 hour. About football. About the city. About their lives. George walked home that night and felt something different. His chest felt warm. Not from the coffee. From the conversation. Peter came back the next Tuesday. And the Tuesday after that. The empty chair was not empty anymore. George did not do something big. He just raised his hand. One small action. One empty chair. And 2 people were not alone anymore. Kindness does not need big words. Sometimes, it only needs a small wave and one empty seat.